We've talked about variable scope and how what happens in the function stays in the function. But what if you have a variable like this that is named the same outside the function as it is inside the function? Okay, what if you have that going on? So this code, so I'm defined the function here. This doesn't do anything yet until I call it. Remember that. So this code starts running right here, and it says x equals 20. And then it prints x equals that value. And then we go into the function. And inside that function, it says x equals 33. And then it prints right now x equals something. And then it goes back after changing x equals 33 inside the function, and it prints x equals blank. My question here is, do you think it will print 20 or 33 in that spot? Who thinks it'll print 20? Who thinks it'll print 33? Now remember, what happens in the function stays in the function. So let's copy and paste that code. Got some weird characters in there thanks to my software. Okay, so there is my function. There's my code. You can see that it's exactly the same. So I run that, and lo and behold, inside the function, x equals 33. Outside the function, even after the function is run, x is still a different x. You can think of them as x in the function and x out of the function. It's like Vegas, right? Two different people. Somebody goes to Vegas, they become a different person. They go back home, they become who they are originally. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So that is what we call variable scope. And the scope of a variable means, where does that variable live? And the scope of this x is within that function. The scope of this x is outside of the function. Okay, so those are different x's. Python doesn't see any connection between the two of them. Now,